Here I have an audio file. It's a file of a train leaving a station. Sounds like that, but with a lot of sounds with that have to do with traffic or other moving objects. It can be kind of nice to make the sound seem like it's moving from right to left or from left to right. The way you do that, if you is that you use these bands. So first of all, you have to make sure that the sound track is in stereo. This is in stereo. The way you can see that is the sound is replicated here, up here on the one ear. So that's probably the left ear, and this is the other ear. You also have this. This is the volume bar. You don't have to move that, but this is the pan bar. So you just press that and you get these two little icons. You select one of them, then you drag it down, and then you take the other one and you drag that up. And now, if you are wearing a headset so that you can listen on both ears, you can hear that this train is moving from left to right or right to left. Kind of a nice effect. Just gives your audio a little bit more depth to it.